Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. There is no much changes. Still, we are within this correction. And the best thing is if we see the next drop, because we mentioned if we see one more drop, we can look for the divergence based on 1 hour chart. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. And if we move to daily chart, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. We mentioned we have been looking for this one as a flat. That's why I mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it as we're looking for the reversal as a long term. And we're looking to see the breakout of this correction. And as we can see, we don't have any trade setup based on daily chart. And if we move to forward chart, even still, we are within this correction. All right. That's why we mentioned the best things is if this correction give us one more drop, we see the breakout of this, then any reversal from there, we'll take it. And if anyone wants to look for sell from here, this is the targets they can look for. But I'm not really interested to look for sell. All right. By the way, if we get one more drop, even we can confirm with the divergence. And the best thing is if the price could take the lowest price of this correction before we see the reversal. That's why I mentioned if the price reverses from here, any trade for buy is a short term, unless we see the continuation and we see the breakout of 552K. All right. Now we're looking at this. Again, the best thing is if we see the price to drop, then from there we look for the reversal. This is the best option we're looking for. And if I move to 1 hour chart, and as we can see, still we can consider this one as a correction. This, as what I explained, even if we see the drop, we can look for the divergence based on 1 hour chart. How about if the price reverse from here? All right. The only way is either we look for the sharp move flag, we take the trade, or we put a warning tree above here. But in that case, we want a price sharply tag, break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving, we shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours because we can expect to see one move up. This one turn to a deeper correction before we get the next. That means any trade for buy within this range, as long as the price haven't break this correction, we consider it as a short term. Anyway, we don't see really good trade setup for buy. And the way the market is moving is really corrective. We need to be really careful. Any trade we should be, I mean, if you get any opportunity for buy, or even if the traders, they're looking for the sell, as long as they get into the profit, they should move their stop loss to break even. All right. Because the way the market is moving is really corrective. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.